flooring. It got water damage. But anyway, I thought that since I had to take the toilet out to put another one in, I thought I would show you how to do it. It's not a real detailed for if you encounter problems, simply because I installed this toilet when we first moved there, so I knew there was no big lot of trouble, or I wasn't expecting a lot of trouble. So all I had to do was get the nuts off and clean up the wax ring, put a new one in. So, but I still thought that if you just wanted to change a toilet, I would have a video for you. And if you do run into a lot of trouble, well, you got to figure that out yourself. But changing out a toilet, folks, if you don't have any trouble, 15-minute job. 3 or 4 minute video, and show you how to do it. Good luck. Oh, we're removing a toilet for new flooring and so on. Make sure you turn off your switch or your valve. Before you disconnect the hose, you want to make sure that you drain all the water. You shut that valve off, drain all the water from this tank, and suck out all the water from the bowl. And you're going to undo this. You're going to undo this. You take off the 2 bolts, one on each side. They'll be a little rusty. There's a little plastic cap on top of them. And you'll take these off, right? And there will be wax ring there, or there should be. Clean all that off like this, right? Has to you try and get it's a little more expensive with the plastic flange. Just don't get just the wax ring. Get a one with a little plastic flange, and you'll clean all that up. All right, that's the next step after you remove the toilet. Putting your toilet on. All right, when you're ready to put the new one on, you got to put the wax ring on, and under here, you obviously take this off when you remove the tub or the toilet. So you'll have your bolts in. Put your wax ring on, and then you'll line up the toilet to get the hose over the bolts. You may have to put something like a tool, like this on each side where the bolt is, so that you can kind of see when you're standing over top of it, so that you'll know roughly where the bolts are. Now, when you put your bolts on and you tighten it down, don't tighten it down too much. But your bolt, maybe it's going to be too long to put the cap on, so you're going to have to cut off the bolt, okay? So you want these caps on because it keeps the moisture and stuff away from the bolts. And if water gets in here, it can run down the hole for the bolt. You don't want that. That's it. You can caulk around your toilet if you want. A lot of people say don't do it. Some people say do it. So I don't know. I don't caulk around it because I got the flooring tight to the flange, and it's all siliconed around. So I don't silicone it, because I figure if the wax ring stops working, the water will come out and I'll see it. So that's it.